Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day. I've got a very quick video for you today. It was going to be a true unboxing, but I just couldn't wait to get in and crack on with this gorgeous Gucci Flora, gorgeous Gardenia perfume. I am in my slouchy stuff and I've got no makeup on at all. That is a very slight lie because I have got some Dior Lip Glow 001 Pink on my mouth because I always have something lip balmy going on there, and I am wearing my Guerlain Meteorites, which I am obsessed with. I don't seem to be able to not wear this lovely little selection of powders even when I'm not wearing any actual makeup, and I was totally and utterly influenced by the beautiful Maria El Supper to try these out, and now I am absolutely obsessed with these. So I've got lip glow on and I've got some of this, but I've got no eyeliner, I've got no blush, I've got no powder to cover up all the redness, and I've got no mascara, which is basically mascara is my absolute lowest limit to be seen in public. I'm filming this in our bedroom because my room is an absolute tip and I just didn't have the time to tidy it up, set up for filming and then go back to what I was doing in there. And today I am in my scruffs because we are starting to prep the hallway downstairs and upstairs for some painting. I'm kind of not looking forward to it because we are going into another little mini heat wave here in the UK. Exciting! Anyway, that's my disclaimers for the state of me out of the way. So, this perfume, I've been looking at the Gucci Flora, Gucci Blooms perfumes for a little while, and I have been very, very disappointed that none of them have worked out for me. When hubby and I went for our massages recently, there was a stand at the top of the stairs where we go down into the spa. There was a stand and it had a tester of this is a new perfume released by Gucci, and I really wanted to try it, but I didn't want to put it on before I had my massage because I'd be covered in oils and all sorts of stuff. I waited until afterwards. He came to get me. We went up to leave. It was there. I said, this is the one I want to try. So I had a couple of little squirts. He said, that smells amazing, let's get some. I was saying to him, I need to let it settle on me because, I mean, it may smell brilliant now, but it may go a little bit weird on me. And he's like, but we're here, we could just buy it now. I'm like, okay, look, if we'd like it in a couple of hours, we'll order it. So that's what we did. We ordered it directly from Gucci rather than John Lewis, which is the store we were in at the time and where I would normally buy stuff from, because I wanted to see what would come with the package. So I'm going to stop rambling on about that now. I'll get into the perfume in a minute, but this is how it came. And I wanted to do a true unboxing for this, but I wasn't able to because I just couldn't hold off. So it came in the gorgeous Gucci box there with some paper packaging, and because this is a small item, Gucci sent one of the small little shopping bags, and I absolutely love those. I think they're fabulous. And I've got my paperwork and stuff in there as well. Now I have seen that there are stickers available with this, but I didn't get any stickers. I wonder if you only get stickers if you buy something else and they're trying to promote the perfume. And the box came in this little kind of, I want to say Hessian, but it's softer than Hessian. And I've got a smaller version of this when I had a lipstick from Gucci, which I'm using as a sort of little pencil pouch, which I love. And I just love having all of these kind of things. They're brilliant for travelling, for cables, cable management, just popping some things in. And that is the box, the Gucci Flora Gorgeous Gardenia. And it is just so pretty. Look at that. Now, I'm not a big floral person, but I am a big pink person and I'm a big black person as well. So I do like a floral when it's on a sort of a black background, and my favourite jumpsuit that I have is a bright orangey, reddy, pink and red jumpsuit on a black background. So I think that combination is absolutely glorious. So yes, what a beautiful, beautiful box. And within that box was this beautiful, beautiful perfume bottle. Look at that. This is just like a paper printed label on there. It's not plasticky or anything. The bottle is ceramic. And on the back there, it has the, I'm going to call it the tasting notes. Bouquet, white gardenia, grandiflorum jasmine and pear blossom. If you're new to my channel, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, come and join our little gang here. Hit subscribe and ring my bell. Don't forget to share the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love. It all helps with the YouTube witchcraft algorithm. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. When I tried this on, initially I thought, oh god, that's sweet, isn't it? Oh, it's very sweet, it's very floral. But then it kind of dies down fairly quickly to an almost sort of deep talcum powdery richness, which I just absolutely love. So this is me. I'm about to do some prep work on the walls for painting, and in my recent luxury items or luxury things that I would buy again, I included a perfume, and I included the Mont Guerlain, and as my everyday go-to, make me feel lovely about the house. This has taken over. I have worn this every single day since we got it, and oh, it is really quite sweet, but it's that kind of fruit sweet rather than sweet sweet. So it's like the sweetness that you get from a really ripe pear, which ties in nicely with the pear blossom, I guess. So you know I'm not very good at describing my scents, but this, oh, talcum powdery, a little bit floral but not heavy, not that kind of really, that's really flowery. It's just really nice. It kind of makes me think of a hot summer's evening, sitting out in the garden with a cheeky little snifter of something delicious. It is calming. It is summer evenings in the warmth, sitting outside as the sun goes down with the heady smell of whatever flower it is that I'm thinking of. Possibly white gardenia, don't know what it looks like, or oh, jasmine, yes, yeah, that's what it is, jasmine. I'm not very good at explaining the flavours. We know this, we have seen this before in previous videos, but this, I can say I have fallen in love with it, and so much so I actually went for the largest size. This is 100ml, and personally I always try and get the largest size perfume if it's something I know I'm going to like. The cost per milliliter is just so much better for when you bulk buy, effectively. Same with most things. But yes, this is what I do now. This is what I do. I get out of the shower, I do what I need to do, put some clothes on, moisturise and everything. I go into my room and I put a little spritz of this on. Also have to mention, Miley Cyrus is killing it in the advertising campaign. So there you go, that's a little reveal of the latest luxury perfume to make it into my little perfume stable. I am going to do all of my luxury perfumes video. I'll be trying to give, nail down those words, those descriptive words that I need to be able to convey to you, gorgeous people of the interwebs, just what they smell of and how they turn on me as well, because I think that's quite important. That video was requested by the beautiful Jamie of Luxe Petite, and it is on my list, Jamie. I haven't forgotten your request. I am going to do that fairly soon. In the meantime, I'm going to go and prep some walls and probably spray this on myself again because I absolutely cannot get enough of it. So I hope you have enjoyed this very unprepared reveal and initial tasting notes of my beautiful Gucci Flora gorgeous Gardenia new perfume. Go and check it out if you are able to. absolutely recommend it. I think it is personally very glorious, and I'm delighted to finally have a floral kind of perfume that suits me and that I like. Anyway, that's it for now. I will see you guys for the next video. Until then, stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye. Man, it's hot in here. I need to get that fan on. That fan is right above me. The fan is right above me. I had to turn it off for the video. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's kicking in now. Bye.